Are these iron pipes buried in a remote Chinese mountain remnants of an ancient alien base, or something far more grounded? Today, we explore the Baigong Pipes to separate scientific reality from internet folklore. Discovered in a cave on Mount Baigong, these metallic tubes are embedded directly into solid rock. Some extend deep into the earth, while others lie scattered across the shores of a nearby salt lake. Proponents of the extraterrestrial theory point to their bizarrely uniform shape and high iron content as evidence of advanced, non-human engineering. But geologists suggest a more natural explanation. They believe the pipes are fossilized tree roots formed through iron-rich sediment mineralization. It's a process where volcanic activity forces minerals into cracks, hardening them over millions of years. Yet, isotopic dating remains inconclusive, leaving room for mystery. Does this prove aliens visited, or just our limited understanding of Earth's complex geology? While these pipes may not be galactic plumbing, they remain a fascinating puzzle of natural formation. Science often reveals wonders stranger than fiction. If you enjoyed this deep dive, hit that button and subscribe for more mysteries.